Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a recent Firefox build and picking a DoH provider. This matters because providers define resolver privacy and performance. Once confirmed, open Firefox and go straight to Settings. Do not detour. Scroll to Network Settings and click the Settings button. This reveals connection options you must change. You do this now so the browser can redirect DNS queries securely. Make sure to keep your provider's name handy, because you'll select it in the next step. Once the connection settings dialog is open, check Enable DNS over HTTPS. This toggles encrypted DNS. Next, choose your provider from the drop-down. If you use a custom resolver, paste its template URL into the custom box. This step changes which server answers DNS requests, so choose one you trust. After selecting, click OK to apply. Sometimes Firefox asks for a restart. Do it to ensure all network subsystems reinitialize. You finish by verifying DoH is active. Use a trusted verification page or open about networking hash DNS to see active resolvers. If pages fail to load, disable privacy or security extensions temporarily and test again. Extensions can block DoH. If that doesn't help, clear cache and restart Firefox. This resolves many state issues. Make sure to re-enable extensions selectively to identify a culprit. If problems persist, switch to a different provider and repeat verification to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.